In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Chat in Gmail. We'll do this right in the desktop version of Gmail. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in to your account. This walkthrough is designed for a computer, since the setting you need isn't available in the same way on mobile. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're in the one where you want chat turned on. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right corner for the settings gear icon. Click the gear, then choose See All Settings from the panel that opens. The Quick Settings panel is useful, but the option we need is inside the full settings page, so make sure you click through to the complete menu. Along the top of the settings page, you'll see a row of tabs. Click the one labeled Chat and Meet. This is where Google puts controls for messaging and video meeting integrations that live inside Gmail's sidebar, so anything related to chat will be managed here. In the Chat section, select Google Chat to enable it. If you see options like Off or Classic Hangouts, choose Google Chat specifically. That tells Gmail to load the modern chat experience rather than the older Hangouts or to keep it disabled. You don't need to change any other toggles right now unless you want to explore them later. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload automatically. After it refreshes, look to the left sidebar of your inbox. You should now see a chat section for one-to-one messages and a Spaces section for team rooms and topic-based collaboration. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it to reveal the new sections. From here, you can open existing conversations or start a new chat or space whenever you need. If chat doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment or manually refresh your browser. Also note that if you're using a work or school account, your administrator may control whether chat is available. In that case, you might need to check with your IT team. And if you prefer a cleaner sidebar, you can adjust what's shown later in the same Chat and Meet tab without turning chat off. That's it. You've enabled Google Chat inside Gmail, so your messages and email live in a single, convenient place. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along with more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.